This is Strawberry Cream, one of the most disgusting Roblox YouTubers, and today I'm going to roast her.
Nathan's here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me look.
I saw you in my dream last night.
That's nice. What were we doing?
What on God's green earth did I just watch?
Okay, let's watch this.
I know just what to do.
Who the fuck are you? First I drop my top, then I sweat my cold.
Guys, can you explain to me what happens? I only think that she loves the food she makes. Is there a real reason? Or am I right?
Just say she made white milk.
But it's sticky.
So what I'm really saying is this girl makes it for people to hate on it and get rage bait, so I had enough of this.
Strawberry heat, shut your ugly self up with your Jackie Chan garbage can, got no hands, merman man, dirty Dan with your apple pen, Ben 10 chicken hen with your house blouse, Mickey Mouse, yo grammar is built like the clubhouse with your vocal wear, built like Mr. Krabs underwear.